Good afternoon, everybody. We are here today for a car accident. In this case, Mr. Aristides accused Ms. Nayeli for a strong collision for reckless driving. Both of you have your legal representative here and your evidence in this case. First, I will listen to Officer Leo, and then your lawyers can explain to me how the accident happened. Go ahead, please.
Good day, Miss Judge and public. I'm Mr. Gutierrez, the police officer who attended this accident. At first instance, we meet Mr. Aristides, who is the author of this collision between the cars. And I want to explain to the public the difference between collision and crash. Collision happens between two cars when they are moving on the way, and crash happens when a car is parking and the car is hit by another car that is in moving. So, when I approached the scene, I saw Mr. Aristides' cell phone still in his hands. He just seemed a little disoriented.
Thank you for your help in this case, Officer Leo. Now the plaintiff can give me your versions of the accident.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am the legal representative of Mr. Aristides. My name is Saul. My client demands payment of damages caused by Ms. Nayeli in the amount of 50,000 basis on Article 156 of the Traffic Regulation, which tells us that every person who is the victim of a drunk driver is entitled to compensation.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Here the person in charge is Ms. Nayeli, who didn't respect the stop sign. I didn't come with the phone in my hand.
Mr. Aristides, could you tell me, if you were driving, why did you have the cell phone in your hands? Are you telling me the truth? What is your versions of what happened?
It's obvious. If you drive and talk on the phone, you will crash. That's fake, I don't do that. I was in my lane and I only felt the blow. I didn't have time for anything. The truth is that everything happened very quickly. I was so nervous that I don't remember much.
What my client means is that he was so unconvinced by the crash that he was not able to assimilate the situation.
Ms. Nayeli, have you or your lawyer something to add or correct to what has been said?
She is innocent, and I have a lot of proof. If you want, I will show you the photos and videos. According to the Decree 15, it says that the person who caused the crash, either to a person or car, is the one who must pay for material damage.
Okay, I would like to hear Ms. Nayeli. Could you narrate how this accident happened? Please, if I don't have all the versions, I'll not be able to clarify this problem. So please go ahead.
Good afternoon, Judge. Today I'm really upset because he is blaming me for something that was his fault, and I am innocent. I was driving to go to my house and someone hit my car and wrecked it, leave me with bruises and cut my eyebrow.
Mr. Aristides, you looked a little nervous and didn't remember much about the accident. But no worries, a witness told me that he saw you take the cell phone after you collided with Nayeli's car.
The only time I took my cell phone was to call the emergency. I feel very obsessed. I need to be paid for all the damages of my car.
You are a liar. Why you don't say what's really happened? You crashed my car. Don't play the victim. It sounds so ridiculous. Look at my eyebrows. Judge, it's one thanks to this man who apparently wasn't paying attention to the wheels.
Your Honor, we have new evidence where we can prove that Mr. Aristides wasn't the author of this accident. Instead, he was a victim of a bad decision of Miss Nayelis.
My records say that 3 occupants of the Jeep were drunk. I also see that you had had 7 car accidents for the past 4 months. Miss Nayelis, why so many accidents? If you are a good driver, you shouldn't have as many crash problems, right?
Don't make me mad because I dare you. I throw you one of my heels at you. You are a liar. Calm down, Nayelis. Don't get mad because they can accuse you for more things.
Mr. Officer, I heard you put order in this room. They only demand justice. Your Honor, the evidence is over. Just look how she is angry.
Don't worry, Mr. Saul. If Miss Nayeli is guilty, she will must pay for the accident. Officer Leo, can you give me the test result, please?
Of course, Your Honor. The test results indicate that Miss Nayelis was under the influence of alcohol, proven drunk. In addition, we continue with the investigation and discover that Miss Nayelis has a problem with law, and we believe that when she saw the police car, she became nervous or scared, and when she tried to flee, she caused the accident.
This test shows that Miss Nayeli was drunk, and we got a video where I can see how you passed the stop sign. Do you have anything to say in your defense?
Well, let me see the video. If I do not see it, I do not believe it. I want to see the supposed proof because that's the only way I'm going to believe him.
Okay, here's the evidence. Everything is against you, so you accumulate a lot of faults, and your license will be suspended, and she must pay $50,000.
What? I'm not gonna pay nothing. You think I'm a cracker? Or I call it? This woman's so freaking crazy. I don't gonna pay nothing. Anything.
I will let a 40-week sentence and an institution for anger management. If she keeps this behavior, she needs to get help.
Your Honor, appreciating your decision, and I hope that Miss Nayelis will have more experience and not die under the influence of alcohol.